Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Just Bliss Thorough Happiness. Why is it so that parents take longer to accept? I mean, on the proportion of 10, hardly 2 or 3 parents accept that their child is going through some kind of difficulties. Rest, they just believe that some miracles will happen, or they deny the fact that the child has some kind of difficulties. It might be mild, it might be moderate, or it can be severe, but acceptance is always important, and that too at early stage. It's just going to be helpful to their children. So let me talk about basic early interventions that parent themselves can notice at home, and they can take actions if required. Yeah, but I also want that if any one mentioned symptoms are found in your child, it doesn't mean your child is into it. The child might be at risk, so there is a difference, and you have to draw the difference, and you have to find it out what is required and how. So when the child is born, the doctor, the pediatrician does all the checkings, right? Why for? They would have just left. But no, the first action is required to be checked, right? The child needs her checkup immediately. It can be a preterm baby, it can be a normal term baby, right? The same thing after the child is born, after few months. Why is that the child is taken regularly to pediatrician? Is just for the vaccination? No. Even it is taken for considering the development. Yes, the pediatrician not just check the basic issues that you tell them, but they also keep a track of developmental milestone in your child, which is very much essential. And if he finds something is not okay, he will make a note of it, or the doctor might also inform you, right? It's not to scare you, it's only an information which you need to require, which you are supposed to know about your child. Same thing when the child grows up, it applies. When you no more go to a pediatrician, because after a certain age, after a long lapse only, the child has been vaccinated. And usually we parents approach to pediatrician only when our child falls sick or there is a due date of the vaccination. Unless and until there is very less awareness, where a child needs to be taken every 3 months to check for child's developmental milestones. But that has not prevailed in our country. Still, there are parents who are in awareness, and they certainly visit their pediatricians just for a general routine checkup to find out whether the child is developing properly, age appropriately, or anything has to be interfered and helped. So there are certain two sets of parents generally found. One who are fully aware and accordingly they work, and the second who are not aware or they are in denial. Well, people who are in denial, sometimes they might be right, because as a parent we are scared to even accept or even think that a child might have some kind of problem. But we shouldn't be blind to what it is seen. So let's start with the basic observations. The basic babbling of the child, turning on the stomach, moving ahead, holding the head, balancing the head, crawling, holding an object and standing, taking steps, climbing, babbling, uttering routine vocab words what the child is hearing right at home, the basic nouns, the basic objects, words, everything. So this is all the basic things which has to be done based on the age. Once the child turns 2 years, the child is required at least to say phrases. Some children start using sentences and some children are delayed. They only utter a word, but that is okay. You need to take a child to a proper person wherein the proper checkup needs to be done. This is the very first step for early intervention. If your child is completely fine, if you're visiting your pediatrician has no doubts, well and good. But if your pediatrician has any doubt, do clear it and please accept it and be ready to help your child. Because nobody else other than parents can be the well-wishers and the first person to help their children. Then comes the other outsiders whose help you need to take if anything goes wrong. Only if the child is fine, well and good. If child has any kind of issues, accept it, no worries. You have helping hands outside. Approach right people and help your child. I hope this video will be helpful, especially to new moms. Keep watching my videos and definitely don't forget to hit like, share and subscribe button. See you soon in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.